Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about BetSwamp.com. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. So here's the pitch. BetSwamp claims to be a prediction-based betting platform where you can earn real money by guessing the outcome of sports, crypto, and random events. You register, predict, win, and cash out. Simple, right? Well, not so fast. A quick look at Trustpilot paints a different picture. The site's rating is super low, sitting at 1.6 stars with tons of one-star reviews. Users complain about fake promises, non-existent customer service, and most importantly, no payouts. Several reviews mentioned that once users tried to withdraw their earnings, the system conveniently stopped working or required extra steps that led nowhere. Over on Reddit, people are already calling BetSwamp a scam site. Some even mentioned that the platform might be using bots to fake activity or engagement. A few threads on malware tips and scam checking forums also flag BetSwamp as a high risk platform with suspicious practices like referral spamming and bait and switch payment tactics. And when you dig deeper into the site, there's no clear information about who runs it, no verified business details, and zero transparency. That's a major red flag for anything involving money. So, is BetSwamp a legit way to earn money online? Honestly, it doesn't look good. The idea sounds fun, but the site is filled with negative reviews, payout complaints, and zero real accountability. Unless you're into wasting your time and watching your earnings disappear into thin air, I'd steer clear. There are better, safer ways to earn online than gambling on a platform with this many red flags. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.